All right, let's let the cat move a little bit, and perhaps let's figure out how to keep some sort of score. Perhaps I'll do a dodge game, and I'll take away HP whenever he gets hit by a ball of some sort. So those will be the two goals we'll try to do right now. So first of all, the cat moving. I'm on the cat, and we're going to go to events. We're going to say when the green flag is clicked, we're going to grab a forever loop. When I grab a forever loop, I'm going to grab an if then, and I'm going to build a couple of these actually. We're going to go to sensing, and we're going to say if the key space is pressed in there right now, and I'm going to change this to right arrow key, and then I'm going to go motion, and I'm going to tell it to change X by +10. So right would be positive X movement. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this for a moment, and I'm just going to quick change it to left arrow key, and I'm going to change X to -10. So if we pop these two things in the forever loop, we'll find out that now if I run the program, my cat should be responsive to the arrow keys and be able to move left and right. So that's one of the things we were looking to do. Second thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is say what happens if he gets hit by a soccer ball or he gets hit by a tennis ball. So again, I'm going to go to an if-then statement here, and I'm again going to the sensing menu here, and I'm going to say if touching, and instead of mouse pointer, I can use this pull down guy here, and the mouse pointer, and this is going to say soccer ball in the one. And I'm going to probably do at least one thing here where I will go ahead and make a data point. My variable for right now will be HP. Say OK. And I'm going to say change HP by -1. All right. Somewhere in the top of my program, I should probably set HP. So way at the beginning, I'm going to set HP. And since cats have 9 lives, I'm going to set this to 9. So if touching soccer ball, change HP by -1. I'm going to right click to duplicate it, and I'm going to change this to tennis ball. So now I'm going to take both of these things and I'm going to pop them inside my forever loop. And hopefully not only should my cat move left and right, but I should also drop this HP value. It should start at 9, and then each time it gets hit should change that HP by -1. So I'm going to run it, and I can dodge or I can hit, and you can see there that it's hitting and it's taking these negatives, but the main issue is as soon as it's hitting, many of these, the contact is all the way through my cat, so it's taking away more than one. So we'll have to fix that at some point in time. So let's just stop it for right now, and we'll talk about perhaps how to fix that. So first of all, I'm going to change HP by -1, and perhaps what I'm going to use is a broadcast and receive message. So on soccer ball, I'm going to broadcast a new message, and I'm going to broadcast the word soccer, and I'm going to say OK. And on tennis ball, I'm going to broadcast a new message, and I'm going to broadcast a new message, tennis. Say OK. So I'm going to click this in here when it touches the tennis ball. Then I'm going to go to the tennis ball, and I'm going to say when I receive tennis, I'm going to first of all just see if I can just hide it and see if that works. And I'll take the same code, duplicate it, and I'll run it into the soccer ball too. Okay, and the soccer ball should say when I receive soccer, hide. So let's play this again and see what happens. So I run it again, and if I get hit, there we go. Now it's only losing 1 per turn as we go down. So that's kind of what I was looking for. My guy can dodge. My guy loses HP as he's going down no matter what he hits. And we'll finish something else up in the next video. Thanks.